boys, we're gonna do our volcano eruption time now. Yay! So we've got these two different powders that came with the kit. We're going to add half a teaspoon of each. So that's powder A. This is powder B. Make sure that it's even. Okay. Now can you stir it up? Stir it up so it's all mixed together. Yeah, good job. Make sure that the two powders are all mixed together. Stir it, stir it, stir it. Stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir. Are they all mixed together? Okay. All right. Good. And now we're going to, let's put these here. We're going to pour just a little bit of water at a time into the top, and then it's going to erupt. Do you want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, just a little bit at a time. Make sure you get it in the top. Whoa!
Wow!
Okay, pour a little more. Wow! Do you know why it's bubbling like that? It's making carbon dioxide gas. The two chemicals are reacting with each other. It's a chemical reaction, and they're making carbon dioxide, which causes all the foaming. And then everything gets pushed out the top. Well, I think we used it all up.
Use what?
See how it's not fizzing anymore? I think everything got pushed out and overflowed. So we're going to have to tip this over, I think. Get the water out. And now we can try and run it again. Okay. Now, if there's any little bit of water in there, it's going to start fizzing again, even when we don't want it to. I'm going to need you to mix them up again, okay?
Okay, very quickly.
Yep.
Baba, if you drink it, what would it taste like?
It wouldn't taste good.
What would it taste like?
Well, one of these things is going to taste sour, and the other one's going to taste bitter. Because one's an acid and the other's a base. And when you mix them together and add the water, then they react and they form a salt. So it's going to be sour and bitter, and then it's going to taste salty. Okay, mix it up, mix it up. Mix more. Okay. Good. Okay.
Put some water.
Wow. Okay. I can add a little more. Oh, a little more. Yeah. And even after we run out of these powders, we can still do this. But we're going to, instead of using two powders and water, we would be using baking soda, and then we would add vinegar. Vinegar. Yeah, so I think one of these is citric acid, and the other is baking soda mixed together with just some red food coloring.
Baking soda?
Okay, add some more water.
More? And what?
Little reaction.
Boom.
Yeah. You like that? That's fun?
Yeah.
What do you think? Is that fun?
Can you move it in the middle here?
Okay.
I feel like this is a forever eruption thing.
It's forever eruption?
Yeah, because you can do it Because like you can still do it after we run out of the powder.
Well, we still have the volcano. The volcano's still going to be good, right? We just have to rinse it off and then dry it out. So I think, see, now we've got just lots of water in there, and it's not reacting much anymore. So I think the chemicals have gotten used up. So let's pour this out.
Bye.
Everything is getting stained. It's okay. Okay, so I'm gonna add some more powder, and then do you want to pour the water? Yeah.
But pour just a little
Yeah,
bit.
just a little bit at a time.
We're doing this for infinity days. Yeah.
Infinity days. Okay, yeah, sit down. I'm gonna move it closer
Until
to you.
we run out of vinegar and baking soda.
Okay. Now you can mix them together. Okay, we're gonna be gentle. Oh, here. Yes, yeah.
Until you can see both chemicals all at the top.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
No, pour just a little bit.
I'm gonna pour gently. Wow!
Now you do it again. More. Slowly, slowly.
Wow! Does that look like real lava?
Hot.
Bye.
Is
Wait,
it?
wait, bye bye. Wait, bye
Bye-bye.
bye.
It is hot.
No, it's